Another big treat for you today. This is probably the lowest mile RC30 in the planet, unless Honda themselves in their present 40 miles. It looks brand new because it is brand new. This came out of the, is this Gordon Razzie's bike?
Gordon Razzie's.
Gordon Razzie.
He had it for 25 years.
Wow. You must have caught him at a weak moment, huh?
I did. 40 miles. He sold to me with 30. I put 10 miles on it. With 5 miles up the road, 5 miles back, just to say that I rode it.
You caught him at
something I would ride every day.
At a weak moment with a big pile of cash in your pocket.
He was nice enough to sell it to me. He was standing right there about an hour ago, and I knew where I thanked him again. He could have sold it on eBay if he wanted.
This is a priceless piece right here. Really, really beautiful. So these three are yours, and the one in the back of the truck is yours too?
RS250.
Really nice. I'm assuming this is the tip of the iceberg of your collection?
I have 36 more.
36 more. Are they all dime pieces like this?
Some of them.
I'd love to shoot some videos of them if you ever